Hello kids, let us learn how to draw and color these shapes. First know about the color name. So let's start. This is pink color, white, purple, black, yellow, red, light green, sky blue, dark blue, green, orange, brown. Let us draw this. This is parallelogram. It has 4 sides. It is 2D shape and opposite sides are parallel. This is pi. This is pi. It is 2D shape. This is pi. This is pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides. It is also 2D shape. Pentagon has 5 sides. This is curved down arrow. This is symbol. This is symbol. This is curved down arrow. This is curved down arrow. This is heart. Heart. This is heart. This is heart. This is hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides. Hexagon has 6 sides. Now let us color the shapes. This is orange color. This is a parallelogram. Its shape is parallelogram. Parallelogram is a 2D shape. It has 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertices. And opposite sides are parallel. This is pi. This shape is pi. And this color is pink color. This is a 2D shape. Pink color. Pi. Pink color. This shape is pi. Pink color. This is brown color. And this shape is pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides. It is 2D shape. It has 5 sides, 5 vertices and 5 angles. This is purple color. And this is a symbol. This is symbol. Curved down arrow. Direction is downward. And it is curved. So it is called curved down arrow. Curved down arrow. This is a symbol. Curved down arrow. This is red color. This shape is heart. Heart shape. Red color. Heart shape. Heart shape. Red color. Heart shape. This is light green color. And this shape is hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides, 6 vertices, 6 angles. 6 sides, 6 vertices, 6 angles. This is light green color. This is parallelogram. This is pi, pentagon, curved down arrow, heart, hexagon. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.